If you want to add a drop-down menu in Elementor, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. A drop-down menu is one of the best ways to keep your navigation clean, organized, and easy to use, especially when you have multiple pages or sections on your website. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create the drop-down structure in WordPress, add it into Elementor, and publish the final result properly. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to create the drop-down structure in your WordPress dashboard. So go ahead and log in to your WordPress admin area. Once you are inside, look at the left-hand menu and hover over Appearance, then click Menus. This will open the menu editor where you can manage your website navigation. If you already have a menu created, select the menu you want to edit. If not, create a new menu first and name it something easy to remember. Now, take a look at the pages or menu items you want to include in the dropdown. For example, you might have a main menu item like Services, and underneath it, you may want to add subpages such as Web Design, SEO, or Maintenance. To do that, simply drag the page you want to turn into a drop-down item and move it slightly to the right underneath its parent item. As soon as it shifts to the right and indents, WordPress will recognize it as a sub-item. This is what creates the drop-down structure. Make sure you organize your menu carefully so the hierarchy makes sense to your visitors. Your parent item should be the main topic, and the child item should be related pages or categories. Once you're happy with the structure, click Save Menu to store your changes. This step is important because Elementor will use this WordPress menu structure when you add the menu widget to your page or header. Next, open the page, header, or template where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Click Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor editor. When the editor loads, you'll see the widget panel on the left and the live page preview on the right. Now search for the WordPress menu widget. Depending on your Elementor setup or theme, this may appear as a navigation or menu widget. Drag it into the container, header section, or any area where you want your menu to display. Once the widget is placed, go to the Content tab and make sure the correct menu is selected. This is a very important step because Elementor can only display the drop-down menu if it is linked to the right WordPress menu. Choose the menu you just edited in the WordPress dashboard. After that, look under the layout settings and check the submenu indicator. Usually this appears as a small arrow or caret next to menu items that contain sub-items. Turning this on helps visitors understand that there is a drop-down available. If needed, you can also adjust the layout, alignment, and spacing so the menu looks polished and matches your website design. You may want to experiment with the typography, hover effects, colors, and submenu styling later, but for now the main goal is to make sure the drop-down structure is working correctly. After testing the menu visually, preview how it behaves when you hover or click on the parent item. Your sub-item should appear neatly underneath it. If the drop-down is not showing, double-check that the menu items were indented properly in WordPress and that you saved the menu before returning to Elementor. Also, make sure you selected the right menu in the widget settings. These small checks usually solve most issues very quickly. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner of Elementor and click Publish or Update to save your work. This is the final step and it makes your drop-down menu live on your website. After publishing, open your website in a new tab and test the menu on desktop and mobile to make sure it works smoothly for all visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a drop-down menu in Elementor. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next WordPress and Elementor tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.